Hi, I'm Bonus Sahoo and I teach bakery. So when I just born at that time only, my dad got bonus on the same day. And because of that only, I just got my name Bonus. But I'm really happy with the name. And I got a call from Iihca invitation, which is all about taking a masterclass, which is about the enriched breads and lean breads, all the way desserts, creativity, idea, how to start your career, how does really gonna help you, all the way, all the things. I believe this is something which is very essential.
हर एक ब्रेड का हम लोग साउंड भी चेक करते हैं कि कितना वॉल्यूम है, कितना क्या है. Alright, so these are basic techniques of what exactly I'll be teaching you, and simultaneously I'll be teaching you the plated dessert कि किस वे में हम creativity को लेके आते हैं. Blueberry giving its beautiful color, which is basically a nature color, right? That is what exactly the blueberry color is. You can see, beautiful color, right?
For a chef, everyday hands-on is very important. So this is more of skill-based. At the last, I would like to add one very important point to all the chefs, all the students who want to become a chef. Never stop learning, because that is something which is very vital and crucial to reach to your destination where exactly you want to see yourself. And this is a step, and these steps will take you to your destination where you want to. So learning is something which is a continuous process. So make sure you do that. All right? Thank you.